Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the light mode or bright mode on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the light mode on your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first, if I just going to click on this three dot option on the top, then click on the setting option, then you just need to click on the theme option. Here you can see option called choose theme. Just click this. There will be a theme, three themes called dark, lighter, and also system default. We just need a light theme which actually turns everything to the lighter or brighter mode. So after create or selecting this, you can choose any spreadsheet. You can see everything is on the white color, which actually on the light mode. You can just use this option, and you can see everything will be on the lighter and brighter mode. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and we will meet on next video which is super valuable Google Sheet content. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.